So we've just taken a look at how to go about calculating ROI and how to figure out just how much money we're making or losing with our advertising initiatives. Now, let's head to the interface to see where we're going to get the metrics we need. For this example, we're at the ad group level, and we can see that we've been running our campaigns and getting some clicks and conversions. It's important to note that these columns are available not just at the ad group level, but at the campaign, the keyword, and the ad level too. That means that you can dig in and figure out where you're making and losing money at any level of the hierarchy. But for now, let's take a look at our two ad groups. We've already seen the default clicks, impressions, and click-through rate columns, and even that average CPC column was there for us by default. But what we haven't yet seen are these conversion metrics. Now that we have conversion tracking enabled, these columns become available in the Customize Columns area, and you can see that we've added them. You'll see a number of metrics in this list, but let's walk through some important points. First, you'll notice that the ones we've added have a 1 per click designation. This means that the conversions will only be counted once for each click on your ads. So let's say a customer comes in, clicks on your ad, and buys something. And then next week you send that customer an email and they click on a link from that newsletter and buy something else. With 1 per click, you'll only count that first conversion. But then if that customer does another search and clicks on your ad again and then buys something within your conversion window, that second conversion will count as well. Now, towards the bottom, you see the same metrics, only this time with a many per click designation. This just means that in the example we just looked at, you would show all 3 conversions that happened. Again, there's not a right or wrong here, it's just a matter of how you want to look at it in your reports. The metrics themselves are pretty straightforward. Conversions are just the number of conversions counted. The cost per conversion is the total cost divided by that count of conversions, and the conversion rate is the number of conversions divided by the number of clicks. A view-through conversion is a conversion where a user was exposed to your ad, but they didn't click on it. And then they got to your site in some other way, and they converted. Now, while this usually isn't used for search campaigns, it can be a great metric to use with branding and positioning campaigns that use the display network. So let's have a look. We can see here pretty quickly that our flavored ad group may be getting only about a quarter of the total clicks, but it's accounting for almost half of the conversions. It's got more than double the conversion rate of the organic certification ad group, and most importantly, my cost per conversion is a lot lower. So let's say that I make $50 on each shopping basket full of olive oils that people are buying on my site. Now I can quickly see that while I'm making about $16 in profit every time I get a conversion from the ads in that ad group, I'm actually losing $30 every time I get a conversion in my organic certification ad group. This is what optimization is all about. From here, I can dig into the keywords and the ads that might be causing that poor performance and either optimize them towards profitability or stop spending my advertising dollars on those poor performers and instead use them for more profitable areas.